Hey guys, it's Ariana. It's really bright out. I'm going to put some videos up of me and my friend at her cabin. Yeah. So, I hope you like it.
Let me just get this in a video. So, I'm in this little paddle boat here, and that's where Ariana should be. But no, instead she's out over there, a little floaty, just hanging out, you know, down the middle of the water, because she's cool like that, and she's a smart child. So, there you have it. There's Ariana in a nutshell. Smart. I'm gonna hit you.
Wait. Let me get good.
You're gonna, okay?
Are you checking the video?
Yep.
Okay, now go backwards.
I'm so sorry, that's forward. I'm carrying you with me.
Whoa, that feels weird. Bubbles on my bum. Go forward, try it.
I'm gonna run you over.
Just try it.
Okay, let go so I can move here.
What do you mean?
Okay, just let me move. I'll come back around.
Let me pause this.
Look at how little it is.
So it doesn't look that little on the camera.
Time to get my face because I look like crap.
Oh, okay.
Come on, let's go. Hop down.
So little.
Yeah, we like attacking Megan's hand, don't we?
It likes the forbidden game.
Here we go. Yeah. Poor kitty. No, not you. Stop it.